Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about boost your Amazon sales with smart pricing. Let's get into it. Today we're talking about how smart pricing can help boost your sales on Amazon. This is one of the most powerful strategies a seller can use, especially during the early stages of launching a product. Many new sellers misunderstand how pricing actually works on Amazon. It's not just about offering the lowest price, it's about offering the right price at the right time. Let's start with an important point. Building a brand that offers premium value and high perceived quality cannot rely on constant discounting. You can't build a brand's reputation if you're always selling at the lowest possible price. However, when you're launching a new product on Amazon, starting with a lower price is often the smartest move you can make. It's a proven strategy to create sales momentum, which is absolutely necessary on Amazon. At the time of launch, your product doesn't have many, if any, reviews. The product doesn't have ranking power or sales history. In this situation, a lower price helps increase your chances of getting those first few sales. The more units you sell, the faster your product begins to rank in search results. Once you start ranking, organic visibility improves, which helps generate even more sales. A good pricing approach at launch could look like this. Start at 50% off your target price in week 1, then increase to 40% off in week 2, 35% in week 3, and continue raising the price gradually until you reach your regular price by week 8. This gradual increase allows you to build up product reviews and keyword rankings while increasing your profit margins over time. This strategy becomes even more important when selling in highly competitive or saturated markets. Let's say you're launching a product like barbecue tongs. If you search for them on Amazon, you'll find dozens of listings with very similar features. Most sellers offer the same type of product with only minor variations in design or packaging. In a case like this, pricing becomes a tool for visibility. If every seller is offering their product for around $12 and you come in at $7.99 during launch, you instantly become more attractive to shoppers. This can lead to faster clicks, more sales, and quicker review collection. Once your listing has more social proof and better keyword ranking, you can increase your price gradually without losing your momentum. We've seen many successful sellers apply this exact model. If you check their pricing history using a tool like Keepa, you'll notice that their prices are not static. They change frequently, sometimes every few months, based on factors like competition, seasons, and inventory levels. Smart pricing isn't just about launching low, it's about being flexible, testing frequently, and adjusting your price based on how your product is performing. To sum it up, launch with a lower price to generate traction, but do it with a plan. Increase the price slowly as your performance improves. Keep an eye on your conversion rate, your competition, and your profit margins. Dynamic pricing keeps your strategy competitive and your sales growing. Thanks for watching. For more helpful tips on building a successful Amazon brand, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.